From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for May the 4th, 2017. Today we're going to be taking a look at the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. We're going to start out here on the daily time frame, taking a look back in time. We can see the two boxes here on the chart. The current blue box on the right hand side of the chart, we're challenging the support right around 68.55 or so, the green shaded area at the bottom of the blue box. You look back a little ways, and the black box, we saw the market challenge this green shaded area, 68.55 again, unable to break it, and reversed and went back higher again. Now, if it can ever break through this support low, 68.55, with the current momentum that we have on the bearish side, we would look for it to challenge the blue shaded area closer to 6,800, or even the pink zone down here into the mid to low 6,700. So we're looking for some further movement lower within the direction of the trend, the current momentum of a move down in towards 68 or into the 6,700s for the New Zealand dollar. But what we need to watch for, if it's going to do that, is the breakout setup. Let's go ahead and zoom it in a couple of times now. And again, there's your black box, and the last time we were here, bounce and reversed the trend and went back up. So we're in that same area. So one of two things is going to happen. I'm going to zoom in one more time. One of two things happens at each one of these decision zones that I have on my chart, the colored shaded areas. One is that it bounces off and goes back in the other direction, and that's what it did the last time we were here at 68.55. The second option is that it breaks through that barrier, that price barrier, and continues to go down. So if we're going to see the continuation lower and the push in the direction of the current momentum and downtrend, we need to wait for the setup. We don't want to assume it's going to break it, because as soon as we assume it's going to break 68.55, it can bounce off it and turn around and go back up. So what we're looking for now is the breakout setup, the open and close underneath the green shaded area to increase our confidence that it's going to continue to go down. We want the satisfied break of 68.55. So for me, that's a singular candle buy that opens and closes. So obviously right now here on the daily time frame, we don't have that singular candle body open and close underneath that green shaded area yet. So that's what we're kind of waiting on now, that open and close. Even if we take it down to the 4-hour time frame, let me squeeze it out a little bit like this, you can see that we haven't broken that support low. Look at this. The last time we sat down on top of 68.55, suddenly pushed back up to the pink shaded area. So that's our break point. It needs to get underneath 68.55. My expectation is that we look for the open and close underneath. We look for it to get underneath, and even better would be a retest of that green shaded area and that historical support as resistance this time, and then we look for the new leg lower. Could be first off down towards 6,800, but again, even further, might even decline down towards the mid to low 6,700. So we're looking for the breakout setup, open and close, retest, and fall back down either towards 68 or into the 6,700s. Now that doesn't have to happen, of course. We could, of course, see it bounce off of here and go back higher. So we want to watch for evidence of that. And that would be bullish pressure. You know, those candlestick structures that imply bullish pressure, like a bullish engulfing candle or a hammer candlestick, things of the like that tell us that buyers are being infused into the market. So we don't see anything like that. So until we see something like that, I'm looking for the breakout scenario, open and close under 68.50, 55, this last support over here, and the continuation lower for the New Zealand dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.